What's up, gamers? We are back. Today we are going to be playing Adopt Me. I've got a new pet. You are about to see what pet it is. This is the second video today. It is 9:58. Currently 9:58. Oh crap, I accidentally went out. But the pet is a neon parrot. Yep, I've made some profit. Oh my god, what am I doing? I have made some profit from my little giraffe. So let's go. Oh, no one is in the server, so let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot this is a rich server. Should be rich. I did not check it, but I'm hoping it's rich. So let's get into this. Let's see what people offer. Will offer for a neon parrot nowadays. Okay, I mean, it's not a big server, I would say, but it should be okay. Alright, here it is. Trading neon parrot for YT. That's what you gotta say to get the good offers. Wait, what the freak? Oh, because that was in favorites. Hi and no. Sorry, I don't. I'm guessing this is his offer. Alright, I mean, if that's his offer, then we are gonna politely decline that. Trading neon parrot. Whoa, that looked like a nice neon. Trading neon parrot for YT. Oh. Here we go, guys. We got a parrot, we got an evil unicorn, we got a crow, got a fly potion, another fly potion. Anything else? Wow, this is actually a really good offer. I'm gonna say to them, really good offer, but I think this would just be a frost dragon and a crow, or maybe a crow and a parrot. Or no. Yeah, this is not worth it. But no, thank you. I mean, I like those pets, but I just don't. Neon parrot for I just don't. You know about those pets? They're not just the best pets that you can ever see in something. Like, they're not crazy pets. Like a freaking bad dragon. Okay, they're offering a neon dragon, another neon dragon, another neon dragon, another fly ride dragon, another neon dragon. Wow, that's a lot of dragons. I used to have that many. Is that all they're going to be offering me? That's, I'd say, a mega. I feel like this is so many dragons. And I guess I'll say hi, because we don't want to be mean. Hi. No. Hi. Oh my god. Hi. How long does it take me to say a freaking hi? We're going to politely decline on that. And we're going to move right. This is not a crazy server like I was in for the first take. But that first take did not go very well. So we are not showing you the first take. I accidentally did something in editing and it did a lot. Okay. There we go. We got Luffy Dumbo 548. They're offering us seat. You know what? We're gonna give him a sandwich too. Oh god, that was a really good. There we go. That was like a W trade right there. Yep, go ahead, accept. There we go. Let's go. We just got a sandwich. I think that kid was just trying to be funny here. That was pretty funny, I will say. So, good job to you. Hopefully you made my audience laugh. A crow, a parrot, a hydra, a drake. Why do they always have crows and parrots? Like, they're nowhere close to each other. This value is way under for it. Like, you need maybe on evil, you need to carry it up to a parrot. So you would need probably 2 neon crows to make it up to, I don't know, that's what I would think, but we're gonna politely decline that. Trading neon parrot for YT. I was looking for a better server, but I guess we didn't get it. All good, all good, all good. It's underscore cattycorn11. Hi. It looks like a really weird hi. I'm just gonna say it like that. Two things. Okay. Okay, what's up? Oh, my channel. Well, my actual channel is Gamer Blake. Well, this is the channel that I'm literally recording on. Profile pic is red ninja with yellow eyes. And I believe we have, let's go and see how much subs we have. Let's see how much we've improved. Last time I checked, we had about 29, so let's see what we got. We got 34, holy crap, we have gained a lot. But how much views did we get on that nice video? 8 views. Beautiful. And 34 subs. Yeah, guys, I'm not just Adopt Me. Just so you guys know, I do a lot of other stuff on Roblox, so it's not just Adopt Me. Guys, I do not have an Arctic reindeer. If I did, I would love to have one, but I sadly don't. And if I did, I would be trading it. Alright, bye-bye. I don't need. Not wasting time, love meeting new people. Here we go. We don't even have to type anything. They just trade. Trading neon parrot. Oh, okay, wow. Okay, evil unicorn, a neon dragon pretty much. Two turtles. Karate, okay, a neon reindeer, a neon silly duck, a neon wild boar, a neon chicken, a pig. I remember when I got a pig. A Callium curvy, I don't know. A lavender dragon. Wow, they're adding a lot of stuff. A queen bee. Can that be it? Great offer, but I'm gonna politely decline that. Wow, this server has gotten tiny real fast. Well, honestly, I mean, I just subbed. Oh, this girl subbed. Alright, let's go ahead and check it out. Did she really sub? It's gonna be okay, she did. She actually did. Okay. She's goated. Guys, you're getting a South Asian egg because thank you so much. Thank you so much. You will see yourself in this video. No problem. Bro, whoever subs is always getting a pet, no matter what. Especially if you're nice. So you will be in it. am I doing? Wait, what the freaky crap? But this is probably going to end it now, guys. If you guys enjoyed, we are probably going to do a part 2 on this because this server was not the best. Except that one girl. She was nice. But that's going to be it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you the next vid. Pretty Pebs, you want to do a little trick? Let's see what you can do. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Go. Go, boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Oh, crap. My fault. Go for it. Go for it. Oh, yeah. Keep going. You got this. What the f... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright, well that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. We are definitely going to have a part 2 on this because I love trading the neon parrot. I just love parrots in general. You know what? Let's go search up parrots, actually. I kind of want to see what a parrot honestly looks like. Yeah, this is what a parrot looks like. I have seen this actually before, but it was like this. This is exactly what the parrot was. It was this type of parrot. It wasn't one of these types of parrots. It was this exact type of parrot. It was at some pet store. Couldn't get it. But anyways, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed a 11-minute video at the night. And yeah, you guys enjoy watching me for maybe the next few years. I don't know. Hopefully we stay in touch. Well, not in touch, but in YouTube for a while. So that's going to be it, guys. Hopefully this YouTube channel can grow. Thank you for so many subs today. This has probably been one of the best returns. I mean, 8 views already on this video, and I'm just coming back after long breaks. I think that's pretty crazy. But I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, maybe in the morning. But I will be on Roblox, so if you have me added, join in. Bye, guys.